in every relationship. A man's strength and mystery are his greatest assets. Women are instinctively drawn to men who exude confidence, handle their lives with calm control, and maintain a sense of intrigue. Revealing too much can damage that natural attraction. There are certain information about yourself that should remain known to you alone. So here I want to tell you 5 important secrets you must keep away from any girl you are dealing with. Otherwise, it might lead to a major crack in your relationship. Let us go quickly into the details. 1. Your fears and insecurities. Women have always been attracted to stoic and masculine men who possess great confidence and control every room they enter. Women only feel safe around men who are strong enough to handle situations without any form of weakness. So you have to keep any form of weakness or insecurity away from your woman. She does not need to know and cannot handle it. Most women will tell you to open up. They will advise you that it is okay to be vulnerable sometimes, and that it is okay to share your insecurities. This is a trap. Once you do, they will begin to lose confidence and attraction for you. Women are always attracted to strength, so keep your insecurities away from her. Weak men disgust women, so keep your insecurities to yourself. If it is something you cannot control or change, embrace it, but you must keep it away from your woman and handle it like a man. 2. Your true income. Guys, do not reveal your income or how much you earn to your woman, regardless of the pressure. Telling a girl how much money you earn makes you look like you are leading with your wallet. It also makes you look like you have other insecurities you are trying to cover up with your money. So do not go boasting to women about how much money you make. If you are asked, downplay it and do not respond directly. Allow her to guess and do not disclose how much you earn, regardless of the pressure. Disclosing your income will make it seem like you are beating your chest, especially when you are earning well. Also, she will begin to come up with unnecessary demands because she knows you can afford it when you actually have important plans for your money. So if you do not want unnecessary drama, do not disclose your income to a woman. 3. Your business or job struggles. Women do not care to know about your job or business struggles. And even if they know, there is nothing they can do to help you. Your problems are yours to solve. Face them like a man. Do not go telling a girl your challenges. It reveals your insecurities and fears. People do not really care, so keep your challenges to yourself and fix them, instead of seeking pity from others. Face your issues personally, like a man. Women around you do not need to know. Keep your struggles away from them so you do not appear vulnerable. Telling her your struggles and making her feel you are overwhelmed or cannot handle them will only make her feel you are not man enough. And she will gradually begin to lose interest in you, because women hate insecure and emotional men. So if you want to maintain the high esteem she holds you, never tell her your struggles. 4. Your friends' problems or secrets. Guys, your woman has no business with the problems your friends are facing. If you need to keep even your challenges from her, why would you talk about the problems of your friends? It makes you look untrustworthy. If you are someone who talks about other people's business, it will make people find it difficult to confide in you. If you want your girl or others to see you as a trustworthy person to share their problems with, you have to be the guy who does not talk about other people's business. So if you want your woman to trust you with information or her problems, do not discuss any of your friend's problems or secrets with her. She does not need to know. 5. Things you have learned about her past. It is important to discover the past of any girl you are dealing with. It gives you an in-depth knowledge of who she is based on her past lifestyle and interests. If you discover anything about her, you do not need to ask her about it. Keep the information to yourself and use it as you wish. Sharing it with her will cause unnecessary drama and could lead to a fight. It should be your secret advantage over her. Do not share whatever you found out about her with her. Use it as you wish and never reveal how you obtained the information. These are the 5 secrets you must keep away from any girl you are dealing with. Keeping the listed information to yourself will also add a layer of mystery to your personality, which will generally make you appear more attractive to her. Thanks for staying till the end. Tell your friends about what we preach on this channel. See you in our next video.